All right, now, when I make cakes, they go, oh, nuts.
So
I didn't
quick
bring one that
question,
size.
is that done?
This is done.
That one's done, okay.
This is
Show the
finished.
finished product
See,
of the coolness. Yeah, so look how great everything matches and the blue
And look how
pulls
easy it is for me to pick it up.
I like that part a lot.
Right? Okay, I'm sorry I did not bring a regular size cake board, but imagine this is cake.
Okay,
Regular cake board is underneath it. Okay? Then it goes on what I call a prep board. So this is where it gets split, filled, frosted, scraped. And the reason why it's on something like this, so on my turntable when I'm scraping it, I have a straight up and down angle to keep my bench scraper flat, so I get that perfect 90-degree angle just like the styrofoam has. I can get that on my frosting. Okay, so then you have that. Now, transferring from this to that, you take your offset grill spatula that's thin, or your offset frosting spatula. Here's my shipping tape. All right, now, for transport and for final resting place, I put loops of shipping tape, okay? I do not put them all in the same direction. Why? Because if this is in the car and it's got like the skid-proof pad underneath or a yoga pad underneath in the car, right? So if I had to stop fast and all of my tape was going one direction and I stop fast.
oh yeah.
See what happens? It goes sliding. So
Yeah.
we don't do that. You take your loops of shipping tape and you put them in a few directions, okay?
Do they make double-sided shipping tape? I don't think so,
No.
not for shipping.
Nope. Okay,
But-
so then you have that.
If folks have never used it before, shipping tape is basically really strong.
Super
really
strong tape.
Sticky.
It's thick.
It's very
That's
thick.
Thick stuff.
and it's very
heavy
wide.
plastic.
Yeah.
Really strong stuff.
Yeah, it's great.
Excellent stuff.
It's
So
great.
that's why I use it on here. I do not hot glue my cakes on here.
Okay.
One, if I go to land it and I screw up, getting it off of there
Yeah.
is going to ruin my cake board, okay? You saw how I just peeled that tape off and I'm
Right.
redoing it, no problem, right? So if I land my cake on here, and okay, it's served, cut, serve, and then they pull that last little cardboard cake board off,
You're done.
I get my cake board back in pretty decent shape.
And it's pretty.
Right?
Yeah, that's gonna be.
Okay.
Okay.
So we land
So
our.
it's not cake. There's a cardboard underneath at the bottom.
Yes.
Oh, gotcha.
Always a cardboard underneath there
Okay.
for prepping cake. Okay, so you land it right like that. It's even all the way around. Yay. Done.
Look at that.
So cool, huh?
Way cool.
And
And that's not going anywhere. Especially if you have styrofoam.
but you see how even there it's like
Yeah. It's not.
it's not moving.
It's not moving. Yeah.
I'm pushing really hard. Can you see the muscles in my arm?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not going anywhere. But I can lift it right off.
Interesting.
And why do I put it in this kind of a position? Because if I have a 3, 4, 5 tier cake going on a board, I want my middle open for my dowel.
Right.
Okay? Make sense?
Right.
Yes. Okay.
Very cool.